Okay, I logged into level 8, level 8 to 9. So in level 8 to 9, it is saying the password for the next level is stored in the file named data.txt text file, data text file, and is the only line of text that occurs only once. So to have unique line, you will have to do sort data and then get unique. Then you will see the password for the next level. Then I logged into level 9. Now we have to check 9 to 10. Okay, the password for the next level is stored in the file data text in one of the few human readable strings. To get the password, you can do strings data file and then web for equal sign, several equal signs, maybe one or 1 2 3 4, whatever, not like 20, just maybe two or three equal signs, then do enter, then you will see the password.